So we are going to build the Hogwarts Express Lego. I am so excited to build this. Are you excited to build this? There we go. So we have everything in here. We have bags. Ooh, look at that. Look at this book. When you get a Lego book that looks like this, you know you're in for an adventure. This is a book. This is a book. Oh,
Does it have an engine on it, Daddy?
And we have all the stickers. This is building the station first, and we need bag number 1, bag number 3, number 1. Okay. So look at this. It's showing you in bag number 1, you're gonna build these people and this part of the station. I love this. This is so organized. Done with the station. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Train.
Mm-hmm. It's kind of like opens up. That's cool.
Can I try that?
Yeah. So awesome. Okay, so we're gonna put this off to the side. Okay. Bag number 3. Look at this, what we're gonna do now.
Wow, this is so ginormous.
Okay, let's see what we can do here. just put this on top of the passenger car. So cool. We're about to hook it up. But here is the Hogwarts Express. I am so impressed by this build. The train feels solid and it feels substantial. And I'm just impressed with it. But look inside. You can see like the fire from where you put the coal in. Here's the coal car. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So here's what the train looks like on the side. And then we're gonna hook it up like this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you got a train. Platform 9 3/4. And then here's the wall, and the wall opens up so you can get onto the platform. I guess I'll bring the train this way. Goes right, it fits right under this platform. Isn't that so cool? And you're happy too? Yeah, you're excited to play with this. Here's our Dementor friend. We have Harry Potter, Hermione. We have Ron. Ah! Here's another view of platform 9 3/4. There's the wall, run right through. And then a view of the train coming through. Oh my gosh. I'm amazed at this set. This is super cool.
Harry Potter taps the Dementor friend with his wand.
Yeah, his wand.
Ah!